Today, I'm going to be talking about all of the delights in store for you when you tap into your inner wisdom. Specifically, I'm going to highlight the top 5 benefits, so stay tuned. If you've been following this channel for a while, you have more than likely heard me refer to your inner wisdom or intuition or higher guidance. There's a lot of words that we use that mean the same thing. What I'm talking about is the divinity that is inside each and every one of us. It's there to guide us into our most fulfilling life possible. The problem is that most of us don't recognize that guidance, or it scares us and we ignore it. When you learn to tap into, recognize, and then trust and take action on that inner wisdom coming through, your life just gets exponentially better. So the top 5 benefits. Number 1, this is the only way for you to really know truth, your truth, or to discern any truth that's out there. There's a lot of distortions in our world. The only way to know the truth is going within. Your inner wisdom can share this with you. Number 2, it is the only way you're going to know your soul's path and purpose. It's there for you, but it may not be what you're doing right now. You may not have even started on that path to finding it, but it's there, and it's the way you will feel the most fulfillment in this life, in service to others. Number 3, your inner wisdom helps you to just know who you are and connect you with your own divinity. You are so loved and worthy of that divine love, and most of us don't recognize that. But when you really, truly know this, all of the self-doubt will go away. All of the fear of getting into action and following that guidance will go away. Because when you know you're divinely guided, what else is there to think about? You just do it. You go, you have faith, and you trust. Benefit number 4 is you get to relax. You get to stop overthinking and stressing about everything. There's an expression that says, let go and let God. It's a really good expression. It's harder to do than it sounds, but it's really great wisdom that you can lean into when you know that God's there and they have you. They have you, they're guiding you, they're carrying you through the really tough times, and you really know their love when you've connected with that inner wisdom. Okay, so these benefits are not in any particular order. It's up to you as an individual to decide which one you like best. You can go ahead and let me know in comments. The 5th benefit is that you get to know that you are living the life you are meant to live. You get to know that you're not going to have regrets when you look back in 20 years. You are doing what you were called forward to do. That's hard to do when you're in fear of stepping out of your comfort zone or doing anything new. But when you know you're divinely guided, you can do that. And you can trust and know that you're living fully. You're doing what you were here for. Be sure to hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.